Yes, so let's do a quick analysis of our main pairs. We'll start with the GBPUSD. So GBPUSD in 4 hours, you can see it is forming an ending diagonal. Ending diagonal is a reversal pattern, so that means we are anticipating a bearish move. If you watch the previous analysis or the videos I posted, we are completing this move. It completed successfully. So for aggressive entries, let me remove this first. Yes, so a wedge or ending diagonal is a signal for a reversal pattern, which a wedge must have 5 touches. We can see a 5 touches here. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can be our entry right here as our entry. Our stop loss should be slightly above the head, so you can put like a stop loss here. Let me just stop loss. So this one can leave the stop loss open for now. So we'll have 2 entries here. This is for aggressive entry. For conservative, the market will sell, break this trend line, come back to retest, then go down. This is the time in the market will go down, come back, then go down. This move will just be like a confirmation for another entry, which will form a head and shoulder. This will be left shoulder, head, right shoulder, which is also a reversal pattern. If it breaks this trend line, comes back to retest, then goes down, you can target this, the TP for these head and shoulders, depending with where the right shoulder will be and the neckline. So that will be the neckline. Measure the distance from the head to the neckline, then drag it from the neckline. That will be our first TP. Another scenario is the market will form here a flag. The way it has formed this flag, it can go down just a bit. It can go down, go up, go down, consolidate, forming a continuation pattern. Flags are continuation patterns. So if it forms the flags, this flag will be the right, will form the right shoulder. This will form the left shoulder. Let's drag our trend lines. If it forms the flag, that will be another confirmation. That now we'll be having three confirmations. The first confirmation is an ending diagonal. The second confirmation is the flag, and the third confirmation is the head and shoulder. Head, shoulder, shoulder. The first TP will be this for flag. So that means you'll measure the distance from the head up to that pole, then drag the pole and extend the other side. So that will be our first TP. It is a rule that in most cases, or 95% of the time, the flag after a diagonal will hit the TP. So that will be our first TP. Then our second TP will be the, the entry from, I mean the thread from the distance from the neckline to the tip. So that is for GBP USD. Let's just take a look at a bigger time frame so that you can understand where we are targeting our TP. If we check on daily time frame, you can check that GBPUSD has completed the 5 impulsive waves, which was 1, 2, this 3, this 4, this 5. So after every 5 impulsive waves, the market must have a correction or correct all the 5 impulsive waves for the next impulsive move. So here we'll measure the distance from the tip of our entry to the from the start of wave 1 to the end of wave 5, and we'll target these levels, either 78.6, 61.8%, or 50%. So these will be our three targets. The first one is 50%, 61.8, or 78.6. So we're anticipating this to be a swing move to the downside. And if you check the GBPUSD, we'll also check the pairs that are correlated with it, which is let's start with AUDUSD. So AUDUSD, check on a smaller time frame. Press If you check AUDUSD, this pair has also formed an ending diagonal, which is a reversal pattern. So that means this will be an aggressive entry and a stop loss that's above the fifth leg. So that means we are anticipating a bearish move to the downside. So we'll be anticipating for a bearish move. So the market will also move here, come back to form a head and shoulder, which is also another confirmation pattern. So if you are an aggressive trader, you can just enter the market, or if you are conservative, wait for the market to make this impulse correct or consolidate to make a continuation pattern, which is also a flag, so that you can enter. That stop loss will be above this last touch. Let's see EURUSD. First time frame, EURUSD also formed an ending diagonal, which is a reversal pattern. So this means we'll be having our entry here, stop loss above the trend line or above the fifth touch. This was first, two, three, four, fifth touch, which is a reversal pattern. A diagonal or a reversal pattern is a reversal pattern. This one, the market will also anticipate an impulse, a correction, then another impulse. This correction will form a flag or a continuation pattern. Now we'll have three confluences. That is a diagonal, that's the first confluence, a flag, which has a continuation pattern, second confluence, and the third confluence is head and shoulder. This is right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, which is reversal pattern. So we anticipate a bearish move, which is usually be a swing bearish move to the downside. EURUSD is negatively correlated to DXY. If you can check on DXY, we were anticipating a bearish move. We have been having a bearish move for a very long time. That is, let's see. We've been having this where it has formed, that is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Wave 5, it has extended to 100% level, which we anticipated it to be 95.90. Now if we check on a 4 hours time frame, now we had a flag here, which is a continuation pattern. Where we targeted a pole, we measured this pole here. It is completing the last leg, so you will be anticipating a bullish move or an impulsive bullish move from 96 region. It can extend a little bit to level 100, which is here, which is at 95 or something. So that means if we'll be anticipating a bullish move for DXY, we'll be anticipating bearish move for EURUSD, GU, and ZDUSD, AUDUSD, and so on, and even silver. So you can have a quick checkout on and ZD or USDCHF. So let's take a look at daily time frame. Okay. Let's check on a weekly. Here, the market completed 5 bearish moves, impulsive moves. Now we are on a correction. This correction, remember in waves, if we have 5 impulsive moves, we will have the 5 impulsive moves will be corrected with 3 corrective moves, which is ABC. So that means we have completed the 5 moves. Now we are on a correction. On a correction, this was our impulse, correction, impulse. So we'll be anticipating another bullish move from this point. So that means if that forms a flag, we'll be anticipating a move to the upside. To the upside region. So we'll be anticipating a move upwards. For if you trade conservatively, just target for or wait for a flag to form to the upside down, to the upside. So that means since we are targeting sell on Euro, GBP, and ZDUSD, AUDUSD, we'll be targeting buys for USD, CHF, USD card, and DXY.